Hello and welcome to Weetzer's Woodshop. My name's Ted. We're going to make some things. Alright, welcome back to the channel. As you can tell, super busy. Posted the project that I was doing on my Facebook page and Instagram and stuff, but it's time to make a video. So it's next to me. I just got to show it to you. I had every chainsaw imaginable out here working on this thing. But it's not finished. We're gonna burn it. And I didn't film making this project, so even though it's something that I've wanted to do, the neighbors are running their log splitter behind me. I hope you guys can still hear me, but let me get the camera and show you what I got, and I'll film finishing it up and then probably film placing it. I haven't determined how I'm going to place it yet, so alright, let me get the camera. Okay, there it is. I finally got a bear. I've been working on this thing like 3 days straight, so let's get around this a little bit. So it's a caricature type bear with some realistic features, but I got it all textured up as much as I want to do it anyway. I've been working on this thing, like I said, I'm exhausted. So, but it came out pretty cool. So now we're going to burn it. So let's look at it from this side. And then what I'll do is, there it is. Pretty cool. It's pretty tall, probably, I don't know, 7 foot. So, and then I'm gonna place it up in front of my driveway, so, or near my driveway, the entrance anyway. So let's zoom in, there you go. So there it is, finally. This is what was supposed to be my very first project, and instead I made a woodpecker. So, all right, let's start burning this thing. Voila! Not too bad. Now it's a hybrid black bear / grizzly bear. Just a funny bear. So and then we'll get it placed, and then I'm gonna not stain it, polyurethane it, or marine spar it, and just get it waterproof. It's already starting to crack, so we'll see if it survives the journey. That's the next test. Well, let's see if I can film this. Neighbors are splitting wood, so I invited them over to check it out. There's his face, his eyeballs. Texture came out really good. A few things I could do better, probably shorten the snout, and a little more detail in the mouth, but the ears might be a little big, but I like it. Claws, I didn't know too much about the claws, so I just winged it. So not too shabby. Pretty cool. Finally got a bear. All right. In theory, this strap, which is up against the bucket, or forcing this up against the bucket, in theory, this should lift. So let's try a lift and see what happens. crap. That worked pretty damn good. So I now am going to set it down. You can see I cut it at a slope, not on purpose, just by chance. So this is where it's going to set. So let's see what I can do as far as putting it down and getting in spot. Man, do I freaking love it when a plan comes together. Holy cow, I'm shaking. A lot of work. So all right, there it is. I'll probably shift it just a little bit, and then we'll probably dig out a little bit over here just to get it a little more secure, and then we're good to go. Well, holy cow, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Man, I finally got a bear. All right. Man, I'm tired. That's it. I'm sitting down. Let's do a recap. Oh, this is my bear. So I probably have 30 hours into this thing, just because my technique is a little different. I'm not a speed carver, so I whittle away until I get the right shape. Then I do some sanding, then I whittle away more. Chainsaw, you know, sander, die grinder, you name it. I use it all. So I didn't take much video at all of this build, just because I knew it was going to take so long. So the final product and then the staging I thought would be much better. So and then, you know, carving, it's kind of like watching a baseball game. It's kind of boring. Not when you're doing it. When you're watching it, you get kind of excited. So, but that's it. It's time to relax. I have many hours into this project. I am done, and I am gonna smoke. Thanks for watching, everybody.